talking about Napier rods by Chainisa, Wanida, Ratanawadi, Shonikan, and myself. Napier rods are a set of graduated rods that were used to do multiplication and division by a method invented by John Napier before calculators were invented. It consists of 10 rods corresponding to the digits 0 to 9. The rod 0, although it may look unnecessary, is needed for multipliers or multiplicants having 0 in them. It was based on Arab mathematics and the lattice multiplication used by Matarki Narosh in the Ahmed al-Hisab and Fibonacci's work in his Liber Abaci. The technique was also called rabiodology. Napier rods consist of strips of wood, metal, or heavy cardboard. Napier's bones are three-dimensional, square in cross-section with 4 different rods engraved on each one. A set of bones might be enclosed in a convenient carrying case.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talking about how we play the Napier rods in the division method. So in the same publication, which installates the multiplication rods, Jenner and Rucas also describe the rods used for division. There are 10 rods numbered from 0 to 9, a ruler marked with a symbol. As with the multiplication, the rods and the ruler are divided into 9 rows, which are increasingly wide. On the left, there is a slender column with a average number. There is only the number 1 in a row, or 2 in a row, 3 in a row, and so on. On the rods from each of these numbers, there is a line which may be tilted up or down. On the ruler, the rows are the number from 1 to 9. To divide a multi-digit number by a single-digit number, place the rods to divide next to each other and put the ruler marks with the division sign to the right. So we can now read the results. This is given by the numbers we can see starting on the left-hand rods, in which, as before, we take the number which is the highest position in the slender column as indicated by the slanting to the left, and from there we move to the right following the lines. The remainder is the number shown on the rulers. So to use the Napier rod is also easy. That the ancestor who made the calculator are also based on these Napier rods, and nowadays we use the calculator, the scientific calculator, that it be easier. So for my opinion,
okay, so I will show you how to divide 175 by 25 by using Napier. Okay, so first you write the number that you want to divide by. In this case it is 25, so you write 2 and 5, and then in the first row you look at the first space here, and then it is 0, so just write 0 here or don't need to write anything. The second one is 4 with 1 plus it together and it will become 5, and this one is 0. Same as this one is 25 because this one and this one plus together is 7 and this one is 5. So first we look at number 1. In here that we draw the table, there is no number 1 standalone, so write 0 here. 17 also don't have here, so we also write 0. But 175 match with this one, which is number 6. So we write 6 here and 125 here, and then subtract it together. This is the example 2. So first we do like the first one, write 2 and 4 and then plus it together. This one is 1, this one plus this one is 6, and the last one is 8. Here when we divide, write the number that we want to divide and then look at the first one. If it's 1 standalone, there is no 1 here, so write 0. 12 also write 0. 124 and 120 is so near to each other, so we write 4 and then subtract this one and this one. We left 4. So continue with 48. 48 match with the 1 here, so we write 1 and then write the number here, which is 48, and subtract it 0. Hey, hey. In the old time, they used Napier rods instead of calculator to calculate the multiplication and division. Napier rods essentially render the complex processes of multiplication and division into comparative, simple tasks of addition and subtraction. In my opinion, I think that Napier rods is very helpful in the old time because in the old time there is no calculator, but in this time the calculator has been invented and Napier rods is hard to use and take more time to calculate.